So we're in our next phase of our inframe. It's a MaxxForce DT diesel 2010, 176,000 kilometers. This was the bad hole. I had no compression. Got a huge ring ridge. So we got coolant in the oil because of a failed EGR cooler over here. This has been replaced, but we had a dead miss afterwards. Check compression, and at number 6 there's absolutely no compression. So we're just cleaning up parts, doing checking out everything, and valve train looks good. Push tubes, and we sent out the head to a machine shop. They magniflexed and pressure tested it, and it's fine. Good for another round. And we also rolled over the engine, checked the cam and crank. Not just for obvious wear, but everything looks good. And we're just ready to go with reassembly. Waiting for parts. It's not uncommon. And we're going to plastic gauge the rod journals and a couple of main bearings, just to see where the clearances are at, but I doubt if there'll be a problem there. So we'll be going ahead and put them back together.